Ray Marque here at local chiropractic back pain relief center. This morning we're here with Abby, and she comes in because she has a little bit of upper back and lower cervical pain. She works in sales and she finds herself sitting a lot, and that's where a lot of people get tension. And many times if we do a little bit of soft tissue work and we do a chiropractic manipulation, it helps relieve a lot of that stress. All right, so you ready to get started?
I'm ready.
Good. All right, so the first thing, I'm just going to move your hair out of the way.
Okay.
A lot of people, these trapezius muscles or these upper back muscles get very tense. So if we put a little bit of pressure on them and ask the patient to go through some ranges of motion, it begins to loosen those muscles up. So I'm going to put a little pressure here, Abby, and I want you to look down to your chest. Big pull, good, just like that, and come back up. Okay, we'll do that 5 times. So go all the way down for me. 2, good. 3, 4, 1 more, 5. Okay, I want you to turn your head to the right, and then you're going to look down and then up for me 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's do the other side. Okay, 1, 2, and what I'm doing is putting pressure on these muscle knots here. 4, and 1 more, 5. Okay. Let's go in your belly for me. So face here, hands are going to kind of just hang on the side. So we're going to do a little more muscle work, just a couple more things. So I'm going to put some pressure on here. And the reason why I know where to go is because everyone holds that tension in the same spots. So can you look this way for me 5 times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Okay. And now the other side. Okay, go ahead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. So Abby gets a little bit of low back pain also, so we're going to loosen up these low back muscles. I'm going to bend your leg, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to put some pressure on your back with my thumb. I'm just going to move your leg in and out. That's going to help me loosen you up a little bit. A little tender in there. So what I've found through over the years, if we don't loosen these muscles up when we do the manipulation, it doesn't hold as long. So if we loosen it up, break up the adhesions, then the adjustment holds better. Good. Okay, then let's switch back to the other side. Abby, next I'm going to use an instrument on you.
Okay.
And it might feel just a little funny. What we're going to do is just vibrate these joints a little bit, break up any adhesions that may have formed. All right, next I want you to lay on your side, face me. I'm going to kind of put you where I need you. I'm going to move your shoulder a little bit. We're just going to cross your arms just like that. I'm going to bend your top leg. Okay, so next we're going to do a lumbar manipulation or lumbar adjustment. Okay, we're going to relieve a little bit of pressure there. That's all it was. Okay, the other side. Okay, we're going to go on this side too. There we go. All right, why don't you come around. Okay, we're going to bend your leg. Okay, we're going to put some pressure on that low back. That's all it is. Okay, on your back for me, face up. So you okay me adjusting your neck?
Yeah.
Okay. It's going to feel through there. Just nice and light. Good. Okay, one more, nice and light. Wow, that did move, didn't it?
Okay.
Come on up for me. We're going to have a seat on the edge of the table, face this way. All right, so this next one, I'm going to adjust your upper back. So we're going to cross your arms. So one there, chin down to your chest. I'm going to lay you back and pick you back up, but leave your chin there. Okay, so we're going to come back. Good, one more time. That's it, nice and easy.
That's good.
Not bad, right?
That was good.
All right, guys, so that's a chiropractic manipulation. All of our offices here in Myrtle Beach and in Vineland, it's all walk-in. You don't need an appointment. Come on in and we'll get you fixed up. If you have any questions or comments, just leave us a message on Facebook. You can go to one of our websites, myrtlebeachwalkinchiro.com, or you can go to backpainrc.com. Thanks for watching. Thanks for coming in. We'll see you guys next time.